Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today I'm doing a split cracked in half face makeup look. To start this look, I'm using the black Mehron face paint. And here I'm creating a jagged edge shape to the face. Next, using black eyeshadow, I'm going to be creating a shadow on the side that's supposed to be looking like it's lower down. This will make the other side of the face look like it's higher up and sort of over the other side. Here I'm going in and darkening more of like the pointy spaces where there would be more shadow. Here with a fluffier brush, I am making it look more shadowed by blending it out. For the other side of the face, I will be removing any of the shadow that got on the white spaces. Next, I'm adding a little bit of foundation to this side just to make it look like an even skin tone, but I won't be putting any makeup on this side of the face. Here I'm still just putting foundation in these gaps in between where the shadows are. Then using a little bit of the white face paint, I'm going to be putting it at the very edge of where the top section of the skin would be. This will just give it a little bit of a highlight and make it look like it's coming up a little bit more and that the shadows are then deeper. I kind of wanted to go subtle with this and not let it be stark white, so I'm using a Q-tip to blend it out a little bit. Now I'm putting foundation on the side that's going to have makeup, but you do need to be careful not to go over the places that you've shadowed. Now I'm going to be doing the brow only on this side using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. Next, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. Next, I'm using the LA Colors Primer in white. Then for the eyes, I'm using the Juvia's Place Nudes palette. I'm using this darker brown shade to put in the crease area. Then I'm using the concealer again to cut the crease. Next, I'm using the Huda Beauty Warm Browns palette for the gold shade. Next, I use the Juvia's Place Warrior palette for the darker brownish gold shade for the outer corners. Then using the Nudes palette again, I'm using the light gold shade for the inner corners. Next, I'm using a black liquid liner, and I'm extending the liner both in the outer and inner corners. Next, I'm using the Neutrogena Healthy Lengths Mascara, and I will be topping this with a false lash later on. Next, I'm using a Maybelline Fit Me foundation stick to contour. For the lips, I'm using the Jeffree Star Unicorn Blood Liquid Lipstick. And this completes this split or cracked face makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.